time user experience and a review of electric makeup brush cleaning and drying device coming right up.
Welcome to Comfy Boost, a place to get your weekly dose of wellness, comfort and beauty, tips, tricks and challenges to apply in your busy schedules. So, how often you should wash your makeup brushes? I wonder how many people actually know the recommendations and how many follows them. Actual recommendations from experienced artists and dermatologists suggest to wash your makeup brushes somewhere between 1 week and 1 month. But here I will add that it all depends on for what you are using each brush and how many you have them. For example, brushes for wet products will get soaked with the cosmetics faster, and some brushes that you use for your eyeshadows, they will just get mixed with the different colors pretty quickly.
So why should you wash your brushes? Well, the first and the most important thing is that to avoid buildup of dirt and different bacteria. Because when you are not washing your brushes, you can actually get into really big illnesses and diseases on your skin, like for example, acne. So by keeping your brushes clean, you actually can help your skin to be more healthier and cleaner. Second reason to wash your brushes is because of the colors of the products that you're using. So if you are washing your brushes regularly, you will get pure colors that are actually on the description or on the box of the makeup, so you know that exactly the same color you will get on your skin. And this leads us to the last part. With clean colors, you actually can have really smooth blending and you can avoid spots, and in general it will help you to have a better application of the products, and therefore also your makeup will last longer.
So what are the ways to wash your makeup brushes? Actually, there are so many. Some people use dishwashers, soaps, some people use shampoos and hair conditioners, others buy some special products. Some people wash them by hand, some people use some special pads and dry them with hair dryer or on the paper towels. So as you can see, the ways are really a lot. But today we will have a look at this electronic makeup cleaner and dryer. So let's see what's inside.
So the first thing that actually draws our attention is the really nice looking box. So let's open it and see what's there. So here's the manual. It's actually, from the first glance, it looks pretty decent and self-explanatory. So let's see if without reading it we can actually try to make it work. Then the next thing that we have is the device itself. It's in a really nice bag. And the design is really beautiful. It's black with rose gold details. So then what we have there is actually the brush holder. So there's place for 8 brushes here and the device. We have 8 colors for 8 different brush sizes, which is really cool because, you know, we usually, ladies, have different kind of brushes. It's not like you have 5 of the same brushes. You usually have one for eyes, one for lips, one for cheeks, and so on. So that's a really cool thing. Then here are 2 spindles. Great. And of course the bowl where you clean actually the brushes and where you pour the water in and so on. That's how I imagine it. And of course, finally, we have also the liquid for cleaning the brushes. Let's start?
Let's start.
Okay, let's pour the water in.
Actually, there's a max sign.
Yeah, so we'll just pour halfway.
And let's take the device and let's start with, let's say, this one. This was for the highlighter. So I guess this goes here.
Yeah,
this goes like that. Now this is too big. Okay.
This one. Try. Oh,
no,
no, also too big. The next one.
Yeah,
right.
This is correct. And we need a little bit of soap there as well.
Let's use some soap.
Okay, so let's see what they say about the
doses. Yeah, it's not really mentioned how much you should pour.
There it is. 10 to 20 milliliters of makeup brush cleaner. Let's try with this, let's see what happens. Yeah. And then 5 seconds up and down, and then we start spinning this.
Oh! turns dirty. Oh.
Okay, let's try.
Try to try.
Oh wow! It's like an airplane, right?
Oh, it actually looks like in the pictures. That's so cool.
Think. Do you think?
Wow.
It's still a bit wet. It probably takes
But maybe
some
you
time.
just need to have it for longer.
Yeah, and it needs a bit longer washing this time as well because there's a lot of makeup in it. But it looks way cleaner than it did before. So
Let's try the second. Let's try again.
So in summary, this is a pretty cool product that we were so surprised about how it works. As you can see, the brushes are way cleaner than they were, but for sure, everything is not the way they say in the instructions because it takes more than 10 seconds to wash the brushes and more than 10, even 30 seconds to dry these big ones. They didn't get 100% clean, but as I didn't wash them for, I don't know, nearly 3 months, I think it's okay. They got at least 80% cleaner than they were before. As we did challenge it for the lipstick, it didn't work so well. Probably it really needs more than 10, 20 or even 30 seconds to do its job. Regarding the drying part, I think it is a bit aggressive because it really puts everything apart, but it does the job, it gets dry and you can put it straight back together with your brushes. So we like it? We like
Approved.
it. And guys, thank you for being here with us today. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more lifestyle and beauty tips and tricks. See you next week. Bye!